Fani Willis, the Fulton County, Georgia District Attorney, has been disqualified and removed from the Georgia election interference case against President-elect Donald Trump.
Another legal victory for the former president. Fox 4's Sean Rabb live now with a look at all these legal moves today. Sean.
A lot of legal moves today. A three-judge panel of appellate judges in Georgia called this the rare case where disqualification is the only remedy for what they say Fani Willis did, and that she had to be removed as the prosecuting attorney over this election interference case against President-elect Donald Trump.
And it really was atrocious, the behavior she engaged in, especially when she was going to go on the national stage and prosecute the former president of the United States.
And the Georgia State Appeals Court removed Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis, who just won a resounding re-election, from the Georgia election interference case against the now president-elect Donald Trump and a host of others. Mr. Trump was indicted in 2023 under Georgia's racketeering law, accusing him and nearly 20 others of illegally trying to overturn the 2020 presidential election in Georgia that Trump lost by a close vote to Joe Biden.
I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have.
Allegations surfaced that Willis had a romantic relationship with the attorney she appointed as special prosecutor, Nathan Wade, and that she improperly benefited from that relationship.
That was a bomb waiting to go off. It did go off, but initially a judge found that while there was an appearance of impropriety, there was no concrete impropriety, so the case could continue.
SMU political science professor Cal Jilson.
3 appellate judges now divided 2-1, with 2 saying, no, she can't really continue, because even an impression of violation of ethical standards is enough to have her taken off this case.
Willis's office immediately filed a notice of intent to ask the Georgia Supreme Court to review the decision. Clint Broden is a Dallas criminal defense and appellate attorney. He says there are 2 issues here.
The district attorney's office in Atlanta can appeal that to the Georgia Supreme Court, so we don't know whether that is the final decision. Second, it really depends. If she is disqualified, it will go to another prosecutorial authority, and they will ultimately make the decision. The prosecution could continue, or they could elect to dismiss the indictments.
All of that will take time, and Mr. Trump becomes the sitting president again when he is sworn in next month.
It is quite likely now that this case will languish for quite some time, a year, maybe more, and then either be shut down completely or assigned to another district attorney who will have to get up to speed, so it could go on for a very long time.
Of course, something that's not really heard of is criminally prosecuting a sitting president here in America. That's first. Secondly, what is the Georgia Supreme Court going to do? Will they decide to hear the case and review it as has been requested, or just let it stand on its merit? It is entirely possible, as time goes on, that the charges in this case against Mr. Trump could be thrown out altogether. We'll have to wait and see.